The Kesino KCB series integrates technology and practicality with military-grade standards. The main frame is constructed from 6063 T5 aluminum alloy, capable of bearing 200 kilograms per meter with a 20-year durability guarantee against deformation. The E0 grade HPL panel desktop, paired with polyurethane edge sealing, offers moisture resistance and scratch resistance while ensuring a healthy office environment. The modular design supports flexible combinations of partitions and multi-screen brackets. Ice blue ambient lighting and anti-collision leg designs balance a technological aesthetic with comfort. A 500mm bottom cabinet and separated high-low voltage cabling accommodate multi-host devices, while a natural air cooling system ensures stable 7/24 operation. From financial monitoring to energy dispatch, the KCB series empowers efficient decision-making with professional layouts, supported by a national service hotline for instant response.